The process of speciation was only developed once Darwin's theory of natural selection was widely acknowledged and understood. Explain why Darwin's ideas were only gradually accepted. 3 marks. This is one of those weird parts of the specification that you've just got to learn. It's one of those sort of how science works, ethical considerations, how the public engages in science areas. So, why did the public not really like Darwin's ideas? Well, it challenged the idea that God made all of the animals and plants that live on Earth. At the time, Victorian times, still people were very religious and they all believed that God made all the animals and plants on Earth and they pretty much occurred at the same time. If you think about the story of creation, it was over a period of days. So it completely went against that. You could also just say religious objections. There was insufficient evidence when the theory was published, so he didn't really have any evidence. He couldn't explain why his ideas occurred. He just had this theory. He had the theory of evolution, but he had no idea how to explain it. So many scientists and the public just cast it aside. And there was insufficient evidence because the mechanism of inheritance and variation was not known until 50 years later. So no one had any ideas about chromosomes, DNA, genes, any sort of concept of genetics until Watson and Crick found the structure of DNA.